My name's Dennis Moore. I just moved to Pennsylvania, bought a house, and decided to put LeafFilter on my house after doing some research. I love the LeafFilter system. I went and researched everything I could and found that LeafFilter is the best way to go. I haven't had any problems. The salesmen were great. Any problems, they would say they would come out and repair it, no cost to me. Haven't had a lick of problems, and I recommend LeafFilter to all my friends and family and everyone out there for their homes. So all you have to do is give them a call. They'll come out, they'll look at your home, they'll give you an estimate, which is really good, and they'll go from there. I saw them install mine. They took their time, they were very efficient, and it turned out wonderfully. So if you can, I recommend getting LeafFilter highly.